By way of bringing this wonderful first session to a close, I'd like to introduce you to and ask you to join me in thanking Joe Macinnis. Joe, please come out here. Joe has spoken to IdeaCity in the past, and in fact did such a wonderful job. I asked him to act as the guest curator for this section. Joe is a medical doctor, he's a scientist, he's an author, he is a deep sea explorer and diver, and most of the people in this session are his old and personal buddies, and I'm sure Darlene is going to become one as well. So Joe thought, by way of just putting a lovely cap on this thing, that he would do...
I want to do two things. Can you hear me in the back? Okay. First thing, I want to embarrass him. It doesn't often become an opportunity to embarrass you, but look, we're all here having this giddy experience because of Moses and his extraordinary team of Jennifer and Ross, Catherine, and I think 14 volunteers, so I think we'll all get up on our feet and give them a round of applause. For me, it was an extraordinary thing to sit here and listen to these guys who I know very well, who have inspired me, and I'm now inspired by what you just told us about going to Mars. And I know that in their minds and in your minds there is this question: what is the meaning of this? What does it mean when we can orbit the Earth and look down and ask these questions? What does it mean when we can go, as Phil took us, into the realm of the black smokers, to the bottom of the ocean? It's a meaning that we've been looking at for some 40 years. This all began only 40 years ago. And just recently, I found some words by T.S. Eliot. So because I know you love beautiful images, I put together a visual tone poem with the Eliot words as a coda. I wanted a combination of art and science, music and poetry. I could not do this alone. Two people who are here in the audience really did the hard work, Jennifer Mondu and Rob Brown. And the three of us would like to share a kind of coda to this session with this tone poem.
you.